Who knows what's going on these days. Alright, so today, of course, I'm going to do the LeetCode daily. Who knows, hopefully it's an easy problem because I'm not trying to spend too much brain juice on LeetCode. And then I'm going to work on my website. The last time I was working on the website, I think Monday, we made... What did we do on Monday, man? We made the profile page where you could enter your LeetCode name. And we also made like a miniature LeetCode scraper. And today we're gonna finish everything up, or at least tie everything together. Arik is in the house. What's happened? Dang, the scientist 1333. Thank you very much for that subscription, and welcome to the party. Oh, Q, how you doing, man? All right, let me. First things first, I suppose. Let me get the subscription on the website, but I gotta switch my screen real quick. Let me do that right now. All right, here we go. This is the scientist 1333. One sub. Thank you so much. Look at that right there. I'm trying to fund my next 50 years of fun employment. What? Oh, trying to retire. Anyways, man, Arik, if you're still not working, I'm convinced you're a crypto billionaire, man. Because it's been like years since you said you quit your job. And then you spent your time rock climbing a lot. Oh, snap, that's right, you're playing poker. Are you like professional poker player now? Hitting those tables? You're poor? Dang, I don't believe that. Good morning, Poof. How you doing? Welcome. All you need is one good investment in a meme coin. I think some of us probably hit that, man. If I had to guess, Arik would be #1 prime suspect to get rich from crypto. Or somebody who got rich from crypto. You bet that Mavs would trade Luca and make billions? I don't know anything about that, man. Alright. What are we doing? LeetCode daily. Wait. I'm not even fully set up. I'm out here talking nonsense. But my stream ain't even ready. Always try and get my activity feed, so because sometimes it's hard to see who followed or the names of people from the chat when it moves. So I always have my activity feed up. I always have my YouTube chat up there on the side, but my eyes don't really go to it that much. I always miss comments from YouTube. And then I have my teleprompter with the Twitch chat in front of the camera. That's where I read my chat. But I also have to have a backup Twitch chat in case I miss something on the teleprompter or if I want to click on a link. So I have that Twitch chat window open on the side too. Gentleman, thank you very much for the follow. What monitors do I use? I don't use anything crazy, not for my streaming setup. I think I have like two 32-inch 4K monitors or 2K. I think one of them is a 2K and one of them is a 4K. I don't even know, man. All right, daily problem. I've already done it. Find unique binary string. When did I solve this? A couple years ago, a year and a half ago. But 2 times I've solved it. Let's see. Given an array of strings nums containing n unique binary strings, each of length n, return a binary string of length n that does not appear in nums. If there are multiple answers, you may return any of them. What? It's like you just try every single yeah, and the last daily I did was like a backtracking problem. It must be like backtracking week, huh? Will that work? Or I just try 0 or 1 until we reach to n. And then if we land on something, wait, let me try and think about this a little bit. Yeah, I'll just make a list of bad numbers. I'll run it to n, and if I reach the end, it's all good, right? Let me do that. They say it will always, yeah, there's gonna be way more than multiple answers, and the bad numbers are only like 16. Yeah, so there's gonna be so many, right? All right, here we go. Is this backtracking? I don't even know. So I guess I don't need anything there. What do I need? I need to build a set of these things, so I'll do that first. And then I'm just gonna call the backtrack. And all right, how are we gonna do this? So we have, wait, they said the length n equals, okay, so I'll have n as the length of nums, and that's how long we want our string to be as well. So then what I'll do is I will, wait, what am I doing? If the size of my current string, the one that I'm using in the backtrack, is greater than, or if it's greater than n, that means everything is good. Or it doesn't mean everything is good. What does it mean? Yeah, I guess it depends on how I code it. I'll have this as everything is good. Maybe I can have like an early termination. So if I found an answer, then I'm just gonna return. I'm not even gonna try and do any more backtracking, right? And then at every index, I have a choice to either put in a 0 or a 1. So should I just hard code it, or should I does this make sense to do that? I don't know. And then I'll just basically try 0s or 1s to append it to cur, backtrack, and then pop it off, you know? So it's gonna be like push back that character, backtrack, and then pop back. But actually maybe I should check. Man, all right, so this is what I'm thinking. Where are my teeth? How you doing? Welcome to the party. I wasn't sure when I should terminate. Should I terminate like, no, not terminate. Should I enter this part like right here? When, all right, when our cur is equal to n, then maybe I can check the bad number list. Doing great. And here to learn LeetCode. Yeah, so I'm trying to do like a backtracking on this problem here. This is the daily problem. What was I trying to say? I was trying to say if it's in my set, so if our set contains our current string, that means this is not valid and I'm just gonna return. So I'm gonna return before I set the answer. So then I'll continue to backtrack. And then, right? That's it. Is that it? I hope so. Nah. My bad, it's not. I've been doing too much TypeScript. I forget. Oh shit. I forget how to code with C++. Come on now. Alright, let's see. I feel like this problem didn't have too many values, so you could just brute force it all the way. Yeah. Is backtracking a type of brute force? Or you mean just like iterate through 0, 1, 2, 3, and by the 17th iteration it's gonna pass? I see what you're saying, Q. Like you start with 0, 0, 0, and you just increment one time. Yeah. Yeah, but backtracking is checking all the values, you know? But yeah, I guess linearly, or if you just did a, yeah, you'd only do, because there's only 16 numbers in the bad list, but it's 2 to the n possibilities, so yeah. Yeah, I think the recursion stuff makes it a bit slower. Anyways, that's the daily problem. I'm gonna just post it and then I'll get to the web dev stuff. Make a try? Nah. Oh. Wait. That's interesting. I don't ever think about tries, man. I hate tries so much, even though they're not that crazy when you actually sit down to do them. Alright, let me backtrack. Backtracking. You probably don't even need to backtrack here because the constraints are small. Approach backtracking. I'm not even gonna type anything. Time complexity. What is backtracking complexity at? Is it to the n? Wait, it's this one in particular is 2 to the n, right? But normally it's like n factorial backtracking. But since we're only trying like 2 different bits in each position, I think this is 2 to the n. I'm gonna say that's what it is. I don't know how to do the little superscript or subscript thing. Wait, it's like n times 2 to the n? Wait, the missing number would be associated with a missing leaf. Wait, why is it n times 2 to the n? I don't know what you're saying. Am I mistaken with my time complexity? Wait, can I... How can I... No, I should know this. I should know this. Are you saying... Well, n is only up to 16. Creating this set, I suppose, is n log n. But then... Well, two possible. Yeah, so that's why it's 2 to the n. I guess what I'm saying here is if there's another bit, like 2 or whatever, then it would be like 3 to the n, you know? Anyways, should I leave my time? Now you're making me not certain, Q. You're making me think I'm wrong here. Wait, let's use that, isn't there like an analyze time complexity thing? Yeah, there it is. Let's see. 2 to the n, Q. Come on, man. I hope this is right. I only believe it because I already believed it from before. All right, I'm gonna go with it. 2 to the n. That's it. Easy work. Here it is, in case anybody wants to see how I implemented that. All right, you guys ready for the real party? Am I ready for the real party? It's time to load up cursor. I was just about to say 2 to the n because of the recursion. I mean, it's 2 to the n, but it's not because of the recursion, because the recursion doesn't dictate the time complexity. It depends on what's going on in the recursion. You could have a recursive solution that is O(n), you know, or you could have a recursive solution that is log n for like some binary tree problems. So just because it is recursion doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be 2 to the n squared. But when you have recursion and you have two options, like two paths to take at every recursive call, that makes it 2 to the n if there's like n decisions to make. And then, as I was showing earlier, like if you had 3 decisions to make instead of only 2, then it would be 3 to the n for the time complexity. I'm still not super comfortable with analyzing time complexity, but I'm a lot better than I was when I started, man. When I started, I could not do the time complexity analysis for recursive problems. I couldn't do it for like DP problems, really. I could only do basic cases with like linear time complexity or like n squared nested for loops. But now I guess I can do slightly more complicated ones. But still, there's a lot of problems where I just don't know what the time complexity is. All right, here we go, man. Web dev time. Where are we at? I'm working on the leaderboard stuff, so let me just run everything. This is my back end. This is the front end. All right, what time is it, man? Not bad. 23 minutes in, and we're already finished with the LeetCode. Yeah, Q, I know a little bit, but I'm not an expert, I'd say. I'm like intermediate. All right, where are we at? Where are we at? Makes sense. I'm just assuming the depth of search on the recursion was the overall time factor. Right. I think I know what you're saying. Anyways, let's see what I got here. Is it running, man? Yeah, it is running. So I did the whole profile thing. where we can set the LeetCode profile, set your country, your city. That's in the super base stuff. What was it? I should have left notes, man. Now I don't remember what I was doing. I think I was just working on replacing this page. So instead of having it type racer stats, I'm gonna just have leaderboards, and then we're gonna put some LeetCode stats up here too. Or maybe, yeah, maybe I'll just, yeah, do something like that. And as people register, I haven't even really deployed this latest stuff, so it's only gonna be me on the LeetCode stats for now. But I guess as people register, we'll get a bigger and bigger leaderboard with everybody's problem solves and all that junk. I don't even know where to begin. I guess I can start by swapping out the link to... Oh, dang. That just... Is this the algo tracker? Oh yeah, that is the scraper for the profile, the LeetCode's profile scraper. I want to modify my front end, in particular my header, right? And I guess I need to make a new route. So this is not going to be type racer anymore, it's going to be leaderboards. And I'll make... Man, I should probably try and organize this stuff one day. Feel it's already starting to get a little bit messy in here. I'll make a new file, leaderboards. Should I just copy the type racer stuff for now? Or let me think. Should I start fresh, you know? Yeah, I'll just delete everything and return something fresh. So this is leaderboards, and we don't need this. Pretty sure we don't need none of this either. We don't need this. We don't need a lot. I copied way too much here. We don't need a loader yet, really. I guess we'll keep the API. We'll keep this. This is gonna be leaderboards. What's this? Type LeetCode and type racer leaderboards for the community. Clean up some of these things. All right, here we go, man. So this links to leaderboards, and we'll start with that. Let's see if it works. There's the link, but it doesn't do anything. Maybe I have to like rerun it. Are you doing primary C++ at Google? Yes. I'd say 90%, 95% of the work I do is C++. But I do have to deal with other languages. I think C++ by far the most, then Java, then Golang, and then Python. Maybe I'd also do other things like scripting with like internal tools and whatnot. Sometimes some SQL stuff. Are they using Python for a lot of the back end? Not really. Not anything that runs in production. We use a lot of Python for tooling, say maybe for code generation or scripts that we run one time that are not ran in production, but for like data analysis or aggregating data, basically generating files, or yeah, like code generation stuff. What else do I use Python for? That's mainly it, man. I hardly use Python really, but most of our offerings are in C++, and every time we offer something in C++, we also have to offer something of similar functionality in Java. Sometimes it means that we have to create and maintain a separate Java library that has the same features as a C++ one. Or other times it might mean that we use the C++ libraries that we've created, especially if it's really complicated code. And then we create like a Java wrapper that calls a C++ thing underneath. So we don't have to like maintain 2 different languages, or sometimes 3, because we have to offer it in Go as well. So there are some fallbacks to that though, because not everything works smoothly with the dang wrapper language stuff. So sometimes if the libraries are simple, it is a lot easier to just have a native implementation and just maintain 2 things. It sucks for maintenance, that's for sure, because for everything that you do, you're gonna have to do double or triple work, you know? And it's not like we get a dedicated Java team to help us, or a dedicated Golang team or something. So I'd say the expertise in my org is mainly C++, and we also have to like make do with what we got to do Java. I'd say that our Java skills are not great, but for what we offer, we don't need crazy skills. Mickle Bubble, thank you very much for that follow. All right, what are we doing? We're checking out if this leaderboards link works, and it doesn't, man. It doesn't even do anything. Why is that? Is there something I have to do here, man? What's on your jacket? Iron Rooster, what's happening? My jacket, what's on there? Can you see? It's a frog looking up a bunch of stairs, and he's thinking about how many ways are there to get out of this well, or to climb the stairs and reach the top, if the frog can only jump 1 step or 2 steps at a time. So the answer is Fibonacci. Yeah. Brent, what's happening? That's on my jacket. Oh, this is probably why. It's pretty cool. Thank you. I made it myself, man. I was supposed to tell y'all which qualities I like from the things. I haven't really done that yet. I think I'm gonna take off. I don't like the cocoa eating bananas one. I'm gonna take that off permanently. I don't think I'll offer this one. But I got the Fibonacci frog. This is the hoodie I'm wearing right now. The dang purple one. Sometimes I wear this long. So I wear everything. I don't actually have a hat. But I got these 4 things, and one day I'll probably add this shop to my website, but I ain't trying to push it too hard. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out why it doesn't click. Leaderboards, did I spell it wrong? Leaderboards. Do I have to add that somewhere, man? Leader. Oh, you know what? No. I don't know why it's not working here. Feel like it's not even doing anything. Let me see what's up. I mean, it changed it up here. And I click on it. And it doesn't do anything, man. It just reloads that page. What does that mean? Thought this was gonna be simple to just change that. It must be something silly. Right? Because why wouldn't that work? Maybe there's like some config. No. Who knows? Do I have to like specify each route? No, man. Everything. All right. I got some ideas, I guess. What are my ideas? I don't know. Should I put an index on it? No, I don't have that. All right. Something ain't right. Leaderboards. Return. What could it be, man? I don't know. Should I ask? Why doesn't this page load when I click on the nav link? Let me see if Claude or Cursor knows what's up. Say I need to import that. That doesn't do anything, man. I don't even use the use effects. Oh, look. TSX. Error loading. Process not defined. Oh, snap. That's where it's coming from. Wait, so then how did that work on the type racer page? How come? Yeah. It's crazy, huh? Do I need a dot index? No, that didn't fix it either. Process is not defined. Whatever. All right. Let's build these dang leaderboards. So I want it. What are we doing? I need to query my super base table that has all the LeetCode information on there. So I gotta build that query real quick. But I also need my dang API. Oh, that API URL? Yeah. How the hell, man? This works up here. But it doesn't work down there. I'm very confused, but I'll let it slide for now, man. Alright, so here we go. Cursor. I'm gonna just tell Cursor what I want. Make me a loader function that queries my super base table called LeetCode profile. The columns that we need are ID. Easy solved, medium solved, hard solved, rating. What else do we need? Contest attended. And LeetCode username, I guess. Wait, what else do I need there? That's it? All right, let's see what they're gonna come back with. All right. All right, that looks, we'll see, we'll see. Dang, you can do this syntax? It's interesting. All right, let's see if that works. I have to put in my super base keys and whatnot. No, I don't, right? Because the keys are in here. Super base clients and headers. Hamdi 1010, what's happened? How good has cursor been? It's been all right. Not terrible. It's been good enough that I switched to it, you know. Wait, how the hell do I get that client thing? Where do I access that, man? In the profile page? This is what I need. All right. Oh shit, my permissions might not be set up, but I guess we'll see what's happening real soon. All right, and then now it has to like load the data from the loader. What this what's this color theme? I have no idea. It's the default cursor theme. So how do I check that? Theme? Color theme? It's any sphere dark. That's what it is. I didn't change. I didn't select it. It's just default stuff. All right. Let's see. Anything work? Nothing happened, man. All right. There is one. Anyways, that's good enough. Wait, how am I able? I guess because I'm logged in. Let me log out to see if I'm still able to read that leaderboard. Because I don't think my security policies should allow me to do that. We'll see. I guess it still works. Maybe that's good. Maybe I did change it. Let me just check the policies real quick. Oh, I did not configure my security policies for this. So this is bad, actually. I gotta delete these policies. I mean, it works for now, but I don't want to forget to do it. Should I add? Let me show. So, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say, who can insert? No. I want to say everybody can read, man. And that's it. Only I can insert. Everybody can read. Yeah. I'll change that insert later on. All right, let's see. What's next? Now we have to put the information in. Let me seed the database with some data, I guess. Well, I don't know how to do all that. Let me look on my script. It was algo tracker. How did I do it, man? Oh, I'm reading all of the profiles and then I see. Anyways, I'll add some data later on. AI will take our jobs. I don't know, man. AI is, I think it can speed you up as a developer for sure. Especially if you have a lot of repetitive coding to do. AI is great for that. But to have AI completely design and implement something that is complex, I don't see it happening with what's commercially available out there right now. I don't know what kind of stuff they got behind the scenes though. What are they trying to do? We're trying to display this data, so I'm gonna say no. We want, how am I gonna display this data? Should I have like some type of tab where, all right, create a nav tab div that will display the leaderboards for TypeRacer or for LeetCode, depending on which tab is selected. Let's see how the AI is gonna do this. I don't expect this to work at all, but I expect it to be pretty close. Like, all right, let me rephrase. I don't expect it to work without me tinkering with stuff, you know? Because we have to add like these states and stuff. But let's see. Let's see where it's going. Oh, look, it's already gonna add it. What else might we need? Let's see what it looks like, man. Didn't touch anything. Dang, that is sick. It does work without me doing anything. But I need to style it. Alright, how the hell? I guess I can just bring in the TypeRacer stuff. Maybe the TypeRacer stuff doesn't need to be its own route anymore. Oh, but for the, alright. Maybe I should make a LeetCode component and then move the TypeRacer route into a TypeRacer component. It's crazy. It took at least 10 minutes of work. Yeah. And I'm no good at CSS, so it would have taken a lot longer than 10 minutes for me to style it like this. Now all I have to do is modify the background color or something and the text color, and it looks pretty decent. All right, let me extract that and put it into a component so then I can work on it without having super spaghetti code. Here we go. I wish I could tell the dang thing to do that stuff, you know? Let me try, actually. Let me try. So I want to tell it to put this stuff into its own add context. What does that mean? Yes. How do I add lines? Who knows? I would like to extract the LeetCode leaderboards tab into its own component in app components. Can it do that? Zoom Venom, how are you doing? It's doing some work, man. Oh shit. All right, can I just tell it to do this for me? I don't want to actually press the buttons. How do I just say LGTM, do it? All right, LGTM, apply. Jesus Christ. Wait, it's in the wrong dang folder though. 4 out of 10. It messed up on the folder it inserted it into. Anyways, got some ice cream after work. Dang, what type of ice cream do you got? Programming will eventually just be typing in English. It feels like that right now, man. Wait, can I change the location of this? I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna just drag it. All right, let's do that. Let me hit apply on this thing. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but did it work? It didn't apply anything. Oh, I have to click. Yeah, let's do it on this. It's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't expect it to be able to do that, even though it was such a simple task, but it just did all that work for me. Let me see if it works. Still works, man. Dang. Carvel has a BOGO for their soft serves, so got vanilla and chocolate. Dang, you got 2 ice creams, man. Not just one. Anyways. Oh, geez, it even took the loader out of there. That's crazy. Wow, I am impressed, man. I am not lying. Jeez. All right. No, wait. What'd I say? Dang, it did. All right, let me tell it something else now. Let's change the background color for the LeetCode leaderboard components to match the page, but also have slightly wait, alternating colors. Alternating colors for each row. Can I say that? All right, let's apply it, man. This is what web dev is like in 2025, it seems. You just talk to the AI and tell it to do it for you. And you just review it. You do a code review basically, and you tell it, all right, let's go, or nah, it doesn't look good. Man, it said it did it apply that stuff? It didn't do nothing, man. It didn't remove any of that. I think it's tripping. Anyways. Oh, wait. Here it is. Yeah, they didn't apply it, man. Look. I'll just copy that function. Yeah, there we go. All right, let me tell it now. Make the profile usernames a better color that works on a dark background. I think the wrong, oh yeah, the wrong file is selected, man. You're right, but it's all good. I will just text gray to text blue. Wait, can I just select a different file? Oh yeah, I can. I want it on, no, that was the right file. Yeah? Yeah, apply. Look at that. LGTM. Easy work. That blue doesn't really go with the rest of my colors, but I'll change that one of these days. All right, now I'm gonna tell it to sort when I click on a column. Sort the columns when they are clicked, and reverse sort when clicked again. What are we saying? Should we apply it? I need to add some more names to my database though. Let's just apply it. LGTM, man. I like it. Oh, I even get little icons. Man, that's crazy. All right, let me add something to this database real quick. Real quick, man. Here, I'll share. Can I just generate one? Or, oh man, it has to. All right, let me hide this. Let me just select somebody. Oh wait, you know what? Let me try something else. Instead of doing all that, what I'll do is I'll just log in with my email. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's this from? Good thing I logged in with my email, man. Can't read properties of LeetCode profile. What are you talking about, man? Is it here? No, there's more. Wait, where am I? I'm on the profile page. That's where it probably is. So, dang, it's probably all of this stuff. Can I just put or that? Let me see if that works. No, there's more. This is null, it says. Oh yeah, because there's no Yeah. All right, I gotta fix this, man. How are we gonna fix this? I mean, for sure, it's on this page somewhere, man. What just happened? Man, where could it be? I don't even know if this is right. I wish it would tell me like which one, you know? I think I messed up somewhere. All right, let me try and figure that out. So it's coming in, it's doing the loader. Do I have any logs here? Error fetching profile. Wait, shit. All right, let me just run it again. Profile error, because there's no profile for that user. Then I guess there's nothing to return. So perhaps I should just return. Wait, there's no user either? No, we have a user. Profile data is empty. How about that? Danny Rack, what's happened? Does Google have analog for cursor based on Gemini? I don't know, man. All right. There we go, finally. All right, let me set some things here. Hopefully that works. I haven't really tested everything. Let me just peek in my database to see if that worked. Man, did I close my super base? Sudo Mateo, how are you doing? Are you just sharing an application or part of your screen? Trying to see how people generally do these layouts in OBS. I am sharing a part of my screen. Let me see. Can I show you? Yeah, I'm just sharing. This is, dang, it looks crazy now. But I just have like this section to be my window. And then I have this like, I don't use my whole screen, man. I only use a portion of it, you know? IDX? What's IDX? Hold on. Yeah, so that's how I do it, Sudo Mateo. It's a little bit annoying because I don't get to use all my real estate on the screen, but it's a compromise I'm willing to make, I guess. When I'm off stream, I'm definitely using my whole width. I was wondering if you had something to snap that area. They're asking for cursor analog. Oh, I see what you're saying, scientist. Wait, I was wondering if you had something to snap to that area of the screen. Yeah, I just manually do it every time. So, all right. Are you on Windows? I'm sure you can do this in other OSs, but I start up my computer and then I open up my browser or whatever, and then I just do the drag thing like that. And then I look on OBS to line up the thing right where my thing ends, and then that's how I do it. They could probably automate it, but man, it's not that difficult. All right. Okay, so that upload worked. It is in my database, but I still need to scrape that. So let me run the scraper really quick. I was planning to have that scraper run like once every hour or whatever. The scraper I'm talking about is called Algo Tracker. So I'm just gonna open up a new shell and Algo Tracker. Is it gonna work? Uh-oh. Yes. Uh-oh. Oh, I can't insert because I just updated my dang... I updated my dang security policies. Now I wish I didn't. But I'll update them again. Everybody can insert or... No. I'll say all authenticated users can insert for now. But that's gonna change in the future. I tried Mac OS tile window manager on Linux, but nothing feels right as Windows shortcuts to organize windows on a screen. Yeah, I enjoy my Windows shortcuts. I use like a lot of the Windows key and left and right arrows, and when you do that, I can easily just pump it in the left side or whichever, you know. I use them a lot, man. In the past, I've also messed with like i3 gaps on Linux and whatnot, but man, it's such a pain in the ass to customize everything. And I guess maybe back in the day, a lot of the operating systems didn't have these features. Like you couldn't just resize Windows so easily, like in Windows XP or something like that, Windows Vista, you know. But in 2025, man, all the OSs have some type of tile management or at least window management system. So it's not too bad. Like you don't need to go with no dang i3 gaps or whatever. Unless you're like a crazy power user who you absolutely need control over everything. Anyways. Oh shit. I updated my security policies, so hopefully I can insert these things. Iron Rooster, wait. I'm gonna deprecate that variable rename thing, man. I don't really use it too much. Man, new row valids. What are you talking about, man? How's that? Oh, I didn't log in with the auth here. It's just an... Alright, I'll just put the super lenient policy for the time being, man. I said I was gonna figure this out the last time, but I didn't. But I'll figure it out before next time for sure. Can't get my points back. Yeah, my bad, man. Let me figure it out. Sorry. Rewards? No. Channel points. Alright, which request was that for? Variable rename. You wanna see? I don't ever do any of these. I could flood the market with how can I disable edit rewards? I'm gonna disable that one real quick. Turn it off. I was thinking I should add some more different redeems. Like maybe I'll do a LeetCode problem. But look at all this money I could flood the market with. Each of these is like... How much? Like 25,000 channel points. I got 21 requests. Icy Black Deep, how you doing? Each of these are like 6,000 channel points. Yeah, dang, Q, you're right. I could give you your money right now, man. Maybe when your birthday is coming up or something. Hey, Q, when is your birthday? Is it coming up soon? Or is it already gone? Anyways. Did I just put that policy in? Unsafe, yeah. March 24th. Alright. You gotta remind me. But maybe by then you already have enough money. Okay, so I put the dang thing in there. And now look at that, man. We got another item on the board. That is pretty cool. But the colors are not great. So let me just edit that manually. So how did I do it? So if it's that or gray, I don't want gray 50. Maybe I want gray 900. Yeah, gray 900 looks alright. Leaderboard is definitely coming along. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Still a lot of work to do, but I think we'll get there. Alright, now I'm gonna tell this dang AI to take out the type racer route and put it into a leaderboard component too. So let's do that. This is the chat that I got. I'm gonna tell it I would like to remove this route. No. I would like to keep this route, but move the HTML contents into a component called type racer. Then I can only add two. All right, then I would like to call the components in the leaderboards route. Let's see if it can handle this request. This is crazy, I think. Maybe I'm still in the honeymoon phase of the AI development stuff. But man, I was so against AI and using AI in my flow this much, but now it feels like, what am I doing if I don't? I'm wasting time if I don't do it, man. Kinda. Alright, let's just apply. You're learning? I'm learning how to use the AI more efficiently. Like, I didn't even know I could talk to the dang cursor thing like this and give it more complex instructions. I was only using the like Control K, generate a code for right here, right now. I didn't know I could add other files in and like have the dang AI do stuff like that, you know? Anyways. Do you know discrete math? Absolutely not. Boki-sum, how are you doing? I don't personally know any discrete math, but there are a lot of math nerds that frequent this place. Did I say your name wrong? Jeez. I'm sorry. Boki-sum? What? Wait, who knows discrete math in here? Maybe nobody who knows discrete math is around. Or maybe they're afraid to identify themselves because they don't know what you're gonna ask next. Anyways, what was I doing? Oh, Brent Arata knows a little bit of discrete math. Wait, did it make... Oh, it already applied it to type racer index. Very good. Okay, okay. I don't know what it changed though, man. I'm just gonna blindly trust it though. Yeah, like, what did it change here? No, 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 this is not. Dang, maybe I gotta start over with that. I took a class once, but it was mostly about shuffling cards. Interesting. If anyone knows to explain, I will donate. Dang. Become greatness. Welcome to the party. How are you doing? For the set of all viewers, there is at least one element that can know discrete math, yeah? Rocky88, welcome to the party. I love discrete math. I think they should teach it in high school. Maybe they do, but not when I was in high school. Yeah, I don't know. I've never learned anything discrete about math. Never even heard of discrete math. Yeah, I didn't really hear about it. Alright, see you later, Boki-sum. Sorry we couldn't help you out here. Alright, I'm trying to like apply this somewhere. Well, this is the wrong file. Man, I should just do it myself. Maybe I told it too many instructions. Let me see if it messed up the website in any way. There's a lot of errors out there, but I don't know if it's for me or like for this run or like old errors, you know. What's your schooling background? Like all of my schooling, I went to high school, like most of y'all. I went to college. I studied mechanical engineering. Not a great student. Don't defense. What's up? Someone need help with a math problem? Yeah, but they left because you didn't show up fast enough. Yeah, so I studied mechanical engineering. Sometimes I studied only the night before the exam. Got my degree barely. Couldn't find any work. And then I decided to learn computer science. Or not, I didn't know computer science until recently. I decided to learn programming in 2013. And I decided to learn computer science maybe in 2019. What is the career path for mechanical engineering? Well, I don't know because I never had a career doing mechanical engineering. But what they told me when I was a freshman was I'll study this for 5 years and then I'll get a job paying me at least $50,000 a year. And then I'll work for 20 years and I'll make up to $110,000 after 20 years of service. And then that's it. I retire. And well, maybe not in 20 years, maybe like 35 years I retire. And that's what they told me the career path is like. And back then, this was like, I started college around mid 2000s. I said, that sounds like a pretty sweet deal to me. And I studied mechanical engineering. But what actually happened was the economy crashed. Nobody was hiring. I was unemployed for a few months after I graduated, and then I decided that I'm just gonna work in the restaurants, and I worked in restaurants for like a little bit, And then that's when I was like, man, I'm tired of serving these fools in the restaurant. I'm about to get out of here, man. And I decided to try and learn how to program. And I learned how to program, and then I freelanced for 6 or 7 years. And then I decided I'm sick of freelancing. I want to do something a little bit more with more impact or whatever. And I learned computer science to try and get a job. And that was 6 years ago now, that when I decided to learn computer science. And now I'm working as a programmer. Wait, 5? 5 years? Yeah, 5 years for mechanical engineering, because, what was it? A 4-year degree is like 120 credits or something, but mechanical engineering, or most of the engineerings, are 150 credits you need to graduate. So unless you came in with a lot of credits for college, or you did summer schools, it usually took you 5 years. Nitish S, what's happened? Where am I working? I'm working at Google. Do you learn different mechanical mechanism? Is it sort of like programming but with physical objects? Is it like programming but with physical objects? I suppose you could say that about programming. It's like engineering but with imaginary objects. Yeah, I guess so. No, it's not like LeetCode or anything, man. Oh, Bobby Blue, what's happened, man? Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm still working on it, but we're making incremental progress. So, alright, I'll tell you how my engineering went. It was a lot of CAD. It was a lot of calculations. It was a lot of MATLAB. Well, in the junior years, not junior years, but in the lower years, it was a lot of hand calculation. And then towards like my senior year and junior year, it was more like using the tools to calculate things. I specialized in, what did I specialize in, man? Fluid dynamics, I think it was what it was officially called. So I did a lot of computational fluid dynamics, which is just CFD for short. It's like running simulations on a program. You design the simulations and then you let it run for like a few days. And you needed GPUs and stuff back then to run these simulations. So that was what I did, man. I don't really know what other types of engineers do. I imagine most of them do heating, ventilation, and cooling though. Yeah, Icy Black Deep, meshing. I had to create the dang wire meshes. First, I'd had to create my things in CAD, which is like the 3D objects or whatever, and then I had to import them and their wire meshes into the Fluid Dynamics program. Man, what was that thing called? Star CCM? Yeah, this is the software I was using back then. Star CCM Plus. Let me see what it does 15 years into the future. Man, look at that. They got crazy. Looks like a dang video game now. Back in my day, man, that shit looked nothing like this. Yeah, these are like real graphics, man. I didn't have real graphics like that. It's pretty cool. Microsoft Flight Simulator, yeah. Keyboard sounds, thank you very much. So, anyways, that's what I studied. I did some research, like undergrad research. It's like my senior design project for mechanical engineering. Everyone gets a big project that you work on all year long, and you have sponsors from the industry. They'll sponsor your project. So my sponsors were Lockheed Martin and Oak Ridge National Lab. And my project was we had to design a heat exchanger for a pilot power plant that they're gonna test out in Hawaii. And it's a special type of power plant because it generates electricity from the ocean using something called ocean thermal energy conversion, where basically you take the top of the ocean, the surface level temperatures, which is like, I don't know, 25 degrees Celsius or whatever. And then you take the temperature 1 kilometer deep, which is close to 0 degrees Celsius. And then you run that in a Rankine cycle, basically a cycle where you're evaporating and condensing a liquid. The liquid in this was, I think, liquid ammonium, and then ammonium is the choice of the fluid because it has a really, really nice boiling point around the surface level temperature of water. So you could boil the ammonium with the surface temperature, and then you could condense it back down into a liquid with the deep ocean temperature, and then you just run that in an infinite loop, and it's like free energy. I don't know if it's actually working on a large scale. There's a lot of engineering challenges that come with that. I think one of the biggest ones was like building a pipe that's 1 kilometer deep into the ocean. That was a major challenge. But yeah, my job was not to like design the whole plant or anything. It was just to design the heat exchanger in the plant, and it was using some new material that came out of Oak Ridge National Lab. Oak Ridge National Lab is a famous lab. I think that's where they made the dang nuclear bomb or whatever back in the 30s, 40s. And yeah, so they made this new material at the time, graphite foam. Incredible heat transfer properties. It was like, I forget the numbers, maybe 3 or 4 times the heat transfer conductivity of copper. So it was like incredible. And I have a piece of this graphite foam still somewhere. But they figured, you know, this idea of this ocean thermal energy thing, it's been around for 150 years, but maybe the technology wasn't there to actually implement it. But with this graphite foam, they thought, yeah, now's the time, man. Now we have a material that will be efficient enough to like run this thing. And let me see. Hawaii. Is it still around? Maybe. And so there's other variations of this ocean thermal thing. OTEC is what they call it. I think in Sweden or somewhere, and in downtown Toronto, they use the water from, in Toronto, the water from the lake. And in Sweden, I guess the ocean water. They use some of that water, not as deep as 1 kilometer, but they use it to air condition all of downtown, I think. So like, I think all of downtown Toronto is AC'd by Lake Ontario. And in Sweden, Stockholm or somewhere, same thing. They use the ocean to like cool the air in the buildings. But anyways, that's my education background. That's where I come from. So I'm not uneducated coming into programming. I have some education and I did engineering, so I guess that kind of trained my mind to think logically already. Anyways, what are y'all saying? Q, you did same thing, senior class. Yeah, I think most engineering disciplines have a senior project like that. That's Los Alamos? No, I don't know. Oak Ridge National Lab, nuclear bomb. Can I Google that? Yeah, look at that, man. Oak Ridge, Tennessee, Manhattan Project. The top secret lab. This is where they did the science, man. They showed us some cool things because I was there for like All right, so Oak Ridge sponsored my thing, and so did Lockheed Martin. But then it was like a design competition between a few universities, and my university won, my team won. And then all of us got internships at both Lockheed Martin and Oak Ridge National Lab. So we got to go to Hawaii also to like check out the OTEC plant and whatnot. We got to go to Oak Ridge and talk with the guy who invented the dang foam. We got to chill with the Lockheed Martin people. They're like Lockheed Martin Alternative Energy Department or something. I think they got the whole department got laid off, man, because I never got a job out of that. And this was my last attempt at trying to be an engineer before I decided to go to the dark side and learn programming. Anyways, that's my story about school. It's cold, man. Oh, Nitish S, sorry. YouTube. Where to start to enter Google, man? It's a lot of luck, first of all, to get in, unless you're already on the path, which the path meaning like you're at like a target school or a target company. But if you're a student, you're not at a target school, and who knows if you're in America. I think it's easiest to get in as an intern and then convert to a full-time. Simon Lally from YouTube. Cool to know more of your background. Yeah, every now and then I talk about my background a bit, but I don't do it too often. So you're self-taught programming. Yes, self-taught, kind of. In the beginning for sure, but I've had a lot of mentors along the way. I've had mentors my whole career, different programmers or more experienced programmers who I look up to. And Twitch also has mentored me a lot, so I decided to start streaming to try and like hold myself accountable, but also try to network with other people who are grinding LeetCode. And by doing that, I've gained a ton of really great mentors. A lot of them are here in the chat. Some of them aren't here right now. Some of them, who knows where they are. They haven't been around in a long time, but they've all made big impacts in my career. Learned a lot from many people. So, is it really self-taught at that point? If by self-taught you mean I didn't go to school for computer science, yeah, I guess so. But self-taught as in I just read books and studied everything myself? No, man. Definitely not. I don't read books, first of all. And I guess I followed a lot of YouTube videos in the beginning, like tutorials from early content creators and stuff like that. Pat's Hello World is in the house. What a book. Yeah. Who reads books, man? With how much people teach you in this community, college feels like a waste. Nah, man. College is, I think, it has its place, you know. Yeah, you learn a lot of things in college besides academics, if you know what I mean, Q. Anyways, should we get back to some leaderboard work? Man, it is freezing here right now. Let me see what temperature it is. 25 degrees, but it feels like crazy cold. I don't even remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, I was trying to show the dang leaderboard, the type racer leaderboard when you click that. Should I do that manually or should I just ask the chat thing again? All right, I'll give it one instruction at a time. So let's open up the chat. Let's add the type racer thing. And let's say I'd like to move the HTML from the type racer route into a type racer component. Into a component called type racer leaderboard. Do you still have a page with the resources for LeetCode prep, or is it no? The old website is at old.midnightsimon.com, and I guess it's here. Oh shit! You just gotta put olds in front, man. Maybe this is what you're talking about. But yeah, I guess I should add this to the new website too. There's a lot of things I'm missing. Alright, so this is what they told me is good. So let's apply this. Create the new component. Yes, please. Alright. Wait. It didn't make it, man. Didn't make it. What are you talking about? Oh. Oh. No. How do I undo? Wait, I don't know what it's doing. It told me to do the thing, but then it didn't, you know? Like, I guess I applied it wrong. Can I just rerun the query? So it has a type racer thing. Oh, maybe I selected the wrong file when I applied. I see. Alright. Apply to there. There we go. But it's in the wrong folder. I'm gonna manually drag it to the right folder. And then, yes, accept. And then I'll apply this. To the type racer route. No. Anyways, I'll manually add it. I hope this is correct, because I'm about to erase all of this, man. Is it safe to do that? Oof. We'll see. Type racer leaderboard. Yeah, it's there. Components. Yeah, why is it not showing up though? All right, let me see where it breaks down. Here we go. Dang, that's the wrong thing, man. This is what I want. What do you mean they can't find it, man? It's right there. Anyways. Leaderboards. Type racer. Oh man, everything is broken, huh? All right. No worries, no worries. I think there is some other stuff we need to do. They messed me up, man. Oh, they want me to pass the racers down. No, I don't want that. I want to move these things also into that. Man, what are y'all doing? Who's there? Don't defense with the type racer. Give me a second, man. I'm gonna try and fix this stuff. All right. We don't need racers here as a prop, I guess. Man, it's so annoying coding with a little tiny screen in here because I'm only using a portion of my screen, and then now even a smaller portion of the screen. Sort states? The hell are they talking about, man? Anyways, hold on. We're almost there, Set. Wait, yo, these things are this. Oh shit, wrong place, man, wrong place. Come on, man. Dates. All right, type racer is coming up. Don't you worry. I think I should have just done this one manually. I think I broke it though. Everything's broken. It's all good. Let's do the type racer real quick and then I'll try and fix it. So first race is the warm-up, second race is the championship round. Should we make a bet? Anybody here to bet or nah? Not really trying to bet right now. We're trying to bet. I'm doing my tax right now and I owe 60K. Dang. I gotta do my taxes too. Sounds like you gotta donate some money, BetSimp, or something to offset those taxes. All right, here's the bet. Will I hit 100 WPMs? Yes or no? We only bet on dice? No, man. We haven't bet on dice in a long time. First race, warm-up, second race, championship round. Here we go, YouTube, Twitch, and where the heck is my Discord, man? Type racer. There we go. All right, let's go, man. Let's get this. Dang, 1,300 races. Jesus. What is Q voting on? Don't worry about that. I'm not showing you. Let's do the warm-up. You guys trying to launder money in here. Come on. 85, man. Man, sometimes I wonder, like, how the hell do people type at 180 words per minute like Pixel Pusher? How's that even possible, man? Like, I can't even think or read that fast. And it's crazy. Future Highway is banned? What you talking about? Bans, man. We're looking at bets. All right, the bets are closed. Let's see. Will I get over 100 WPNs? Dang. Don't defense. The heck are you doing? Hey, how could you see that? Are you able to, everybody able to see? Jesus. Now I gotta get triple digits, man. All right, here we go. This is a big race. I gotta get triple digits, otherwise I gotta build a keyboard. That's what's really on the line right now. This looks hard. Oh shit, I've seen words I've never seen in my life. Cancel the vote. Oh shit. All right, here we go. Oh man. This is high stakes racing right here. It's about to happen. Jesus Christ, I messed up in the end. Oh, man. I cannot believe that, man. I was zoned in. I never seen some of those words in my whole life. Everything. Dang. Icy Black Deep, 69. Very nice. Clistar, 61. Q, 84. And Don't Defense, 89. What a slow race. I won the race, but I lost the war, man. And I lost the war because Q's a millionaire. Dang, $39,000. All right, let me add myself to the Type Racer Championship board at 98 miles per hour. Wait, do I put space in my names? I put, yeah. 98. Yeah, Q's a millionaire, dang. Need typing lessons, 56 WPMs. Uber newbie, are you a native English speaker? Before I make any comments on your speed. Alright, Q. Congratulations for the millionaire achievement. I know some people highlight the whole word when they make a mistake and delete it. Yeah, people talk about that. It's too much for me to think about to do though. Yeah, Q, if you want to redeem it anytime, man, and anytime you're ready to get it built, we can build it, man. If you want to redeem it now, or if you want to wait till a more special moment, but you should just do it. All right, here we go. I forget what I was doing. Wait, Q. Do you want to see your keyboard? I gotta find it. I don't even know. Hold on, give me 1 minute. I ain't finding that keyboard right now, man. Wait, dang, Q redeemed it. Look at that. 1 million points. I will build you a keyboard on stream, but it's not going to be right now. I will do it whenever, I don't know. Let's see. I could do it this weekend, I guess. Yeah. Are you free this weekend, Q? I don't know if you want to tune in while I build your keyboard or if you just want it to be a surprise. All right, before I commit to a date, I need to do an inventory check. What keyboard? That's a good question. All right, let me find a keyboard. I have an idea where it is. Let me go find it real quick. Man, Q. I think I lost their keyboard, man. I don't know where the hell it's at. But anyways, I'll find it. It's probably in some box since I moved. Don't you worry. Wait, what are y'all talking about? Still have 18K. Could have bet more. Dang, how much money you got? Oh, you probably a millionaire or something now. If this new keyboard makes Q type faster, I'm gonna be angry. All right, Q. I need you to tell me or do some research as what kind of switches and stuff you want, or if you just want me to pick something for you, you know? Maybe, yeah, maybe you just want like a similar setup to what I have with the linear switches. You want me to choose? All right. That sounds good. This weekend we do Gambo? Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna choose something nice. Come on now. Never expected to redeem this. It's taken so long, man. You've been there for a long time. Keyboard with just C and V, yeah. That's all you need. Yeah, JCast19, you missed it, man. Q Ultimus finally got 1 million channel points and redeemed the sickest redemption. I'm gonna build him that keyboard probably this weekend. Wait, I have a special delivery. Q. Hold on. All right, I'm still on type racer mode. This is the keyboard. It's in this case. You wanna see? Looks fancy. It's a green keyboard. I hope you like green. I thought you might like green because your username is green. But I'm not sure. No. Look at that, man. Wait. This is the keyboard. Of course, it doesn't have any keys or switches, keycaps yet. But I have keycaps and whatnot. I'll put some on for you. I'll make it look as good as possible, man. And I hope it sounds nice. It's giving you an empty keyboard? No, man. Come on. I wouldn't do that. Yeah, so I guess it's the Canon keys. I don't even remember what kind, man. Maybe it's the Brutal? No. Because it doesn't have the numpad. Who knows? I should know, though. That's who should know. It's a no, it's not a Savage. It's the... Oh, shit. Man, what the hell is it? It must be this. Devastating. This is, yeah, it's right here, man. So if you wanna check it out, before you get it, it's a 10 keyless, so it's missing the numpad, but it still has arrow keys, the F rows and stuff. And it's is this the color? Nah. I was probably trying to buy a midnight green, but it was, you're gonna have to settle for green. Anyways, I'm excited to build it this weekend for you, or whenever. 1 million points, he doesn't even, no, you're paying 1 million points to get rid of your numpad. So you have more space on your desk. Everybody knows that. Numpad is 5 mil? Nah, man. Nobody wants a numpad. Yeah, so that's what's in the thing. That's how all the pieces and stuff. I have a few different keycaps, but I'll put together something nice for you, man, and we'll stream it. You can get this on Timo for way cheaper. Yeah, you probably could, man, but I didn't. That looks insane. Do I like Legos? Maybe when I was 10 to 35 or so. Anyways, paid $210. Maybe I paid more than that, man. I've paid a lot more than that for a lot of keyboards. But I think I paid $210 for my current keyboard. You gotta build it? Yeah, you gotta build it, man. You gotta build it, and it doesn't even come with switches and keycaps, you know? Which I have those too. So its total cost is gonna be more than whatever price was on the website. Why they out of stock? Yeah, that's how keyboards are. The custom keyboard game, there's usually only like a few hundred of them made at a time. So if you're not one of those people that buys it in the first few batches, it's not certain that you'll be able to buy it again, you know? Anyways. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to figure out why my website isn't working now. Alright, the leaderboards page. Error. Same error, man. I don't know why this is happening with the process thing. Or wherever it, I think it's in the type racer thing now. Oh, maybe the components aren't able to do this. And before, I suppose it was in the back end. But maybe I can still just put the thing right there and it should work. Let me see. Anyways, what are y'all talking about, man? Talking about importing stuff. Anyways, let's drop the topic. Talk about something else, or DM each other if you want to debate, man. If you really need to talk to each other about that stuff, like, slide into the DMs, you know? Alright, where are we at? Drop the Nokia. Man, I had that Nokia for a long time. Not do not DM. Yeah, my bad, BetSimp. Wait, what is happening here? Alright, I still need to fix the data. The data isn't loading on the type racer stuff. Alright, Molinity. I'm gonna tell you one more time, man. Let's just drop the topic and carry on, you know? Yeah, thank you very much. So I'm trying to figure out my errors here. Yeah, I don't like when my viewers are arguing with each other. It's very distracting, not only for me, but for everyone else. So I try and just keep it nice and chill. Everyone is allowed to have different opinions, you know. I'm not saying one person is right, one person is wrong, but I like to keep things civil here, and I like to everybody to treat each other with respect. And you can disagree, but just be respectful to each other, man. Anyways, moving on for sure now. We're trying to figure out why none of my data is loading up in the type racer components. So let's see if we even get any data. My loader is here. Jim Jam Biscuit, how are you doing? What's happening, man? Wait, Future Highway, what are you talking about? Oh, Bet Simp's greatest fan, yeah. Thank you very much for the hydrate, Jim Jam Biscuit. Cheers. Any recurring schedules for the type racer stuff I can join? Do you mean the actual races? It's whenever somebody redeems it. But I also post in my Discord when somebody redeems it in my type racer channel. But my Discord is walled off. You have to pay channel points to get in there. But yeah, you can expect 2 or 3 type racers every time I stream. Are you a fast typer? XK2238. How fast do you type? Should we be scared? Alright, I gotta put a bunch of console logs here. And then we have to see what the hell is going on. So I get the dang type racers. Oh, I see what's happening. It's not getting the type racers. It's loading something else. Oh, I see the problem. The AI told me this earlier. It says I'd have to combine the 2 loader functions and fetch everything and then send the data down to the components. So I'd have to load the data from this leaderboards page Yes, I'm gonna have to do that. No boats. Howdy there. Welcome to the party. Will you be adding the WebSockets feature, view all the active users on the site this month or next? Not this month, because this month is almost already over. I think next month would be a optimistic estimate for when I'll be able to do that Jim Jam Biscuit. But yeah, I'd say after I finish the type racer stuff and the profiles stuff I'm working on now, then maybe I'll start to get some basic WebSocket stuff working. But I think it's gonna be a lot of work for me since I'm trying to build a WebSocket thing in C++. And everything else I've built so far is in TypeScript, JavaScript, and using those tools. So I've never really built anything C++ outside of work. Are you doing the LeetCode contests on Saturday? That is the plan. I was planning to do it last week too, but I got back problems. Guardian this Saturday? Highly doubtful, but hopefully I make progress towards it. When is keyboard build? Saturday? I don't know when. Maybe Saturday, maybe Sunday. We'll see. Haven't done LeetCode in 5 years. There's ELO now? Yeah, there's always been ELO, no boats. The ELO is what really makes LeetCode fun, I think. I think if there's no contest, I wouldn't care to train anymore because I wouldn't really see where I rank. But now I know like how far I'm, like 9,629 spots from the #1 spot, which I don't plan to reach. But at least it gives me an idea of where I stand, and at least it tells me that there is still a lot of room for improvement for me. So I should still grind because my goal is to get Guardian. Guardian rank is around 2155 maybe. And it's competitive, which is fun for me. Watch out with that. Back issues are no, yeah. I think it was just a one-off thing, man. I don't usually have back problems. I want to check out that feature. Sounds so cool. Yeah, thanks. I want to check it out too. Alright, so let's fix this dang loader stuff where I have to bring out what I have to bring out. This is the LeetCode leaderboard. Wait, how does this get? Oh, this gets the stuff passed down here, and then the type racer leaderboards, I gotta pass them down too, right? Uber Newbie, thank you very much for the follow. But this is man. There it is. Type Racer Champ. How come it's not working? How do you do this, man? Is it like that? All right. Can I just? I don't know what I'm doing, man. Hold on. Editor's cursor, yeah. I'm gonna just leave this. Just say props for now. And then, all right, I have to make the index leaderboards page now, load all of that stuff. So this is the LeetCode profiles, but I also need my type racer champ profile data, and I've lost that, man. I think it's, jeez. hold on. Let me think. How the hell can I get this information? I gotta just look at the diffs. I need this function, man. Copy deleted lines. No, I just want to copy a little bit, man. I don't want to copy. Dang, this is whack. Why is it telling me to erase that? Okay, so I want to use this loader. I want to get my type racer champs. I also want to get my LeetCode profiles. And then I need to return. Yeah, that's what I want to return, right? But then what type? Should I make types here? Sure. What is this? Should I make another type that's like all right, let's do that. So this is gonna be all my leaderboard data, and the profiles, we're gonna pass in LeetCode profiles there and type racer profiles there. I mean, it does not exist, man. What are you talking about? Oh shit, I see what they're saying. They're saying I don't need that. All right, let's see. Doesn't work. Profiles not iterable. Is it this profiles in the LeetCode? LeetCode leaderboard. That's where it's coming from. What do you mean it's... What are you talking about, man? Profiles. Oh. How do you do this? Is it because I'm passing it incorrectly? I just hit them like that? No. Are they? Oh, wait. They're saying it's called profiles, I think. Ask the AI, man. I don't need to ask AI. I already know. Wait, I don't know, man. What the? Let me see what the hell is going on. Do I have an error message? Maybe. Profiles. Yeah, what the hell are these people talking about, man? I wish I knew what was going on. Profiles undefined. That's not great. Oh, but look, leaderboard profiles. There's something there, and it's leaderboard. Oh wait, profiles. LeetCode profiles. Profiles. What the hell is this from? Profiles. Oh, it's probably this weird stuff, man. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, man. It's just profiles. What the hell? Profiles? Nah. I should just change the name to LeetCode profiles. There we go. Jesus Christ. You know, it's funny, I used ChatGPT to find a typo I had on a LeetCode problem the other day. Just want to see if it could find it. And it found it? Cool. Oh, there we go. There we go. But the styling is way off. But it will do for now, man. It will do for now. Let me see if the responsiveness still works. It kind of works. Except that top racer should be at the top when it goes below a certain thing. I'm gonna try and fix that right now. It's in the type racers, right? And then, man, I fixed this before, but I don't know how to do it now. So this is the one. I guess I could just move it up, but there's another way to do this. Probably in this one. So maybe I'm say, is there a reverse flex? Flex or something? I don't know. Tailwind, reverse flex, flex direction, flex row reverse, flex call reverse, one of them. Flex row, flex call. Wait. Flex. I'm gonna hit them with the reverse right there and see if that helps. Oh, this is my real website. Here we go. Yeah. There it is. So it looks a little bit squished, man. Let me try and... Nah, I'll probably style it another day. But for now, the information is there. I'm happy. Alright, I think there are some problems with everything. Like, for sure there are bugs in the code. But maybe I'll still deploy it, and then I'll probably have to follow up with any bugs that we get caught in production. And then I'm gonna have to ask everyone who's interested to test out the site, man. What is this racist leaderboard? It's a type racist leaderboard, man. The fastest typers that ever lived in the world. Anyways, what do you think? Should I work on deploying that? Or what? Let me think. there's any API keys that might need to be updated. All right, I'm just gonna deploy it. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't work, we'll try and fix it. Deploy and check if everything works. Yeah, I'll test in prod. Oh, I haven't deployed. This is gonna be my first time deploying the dang algo tracker. Maybe I should just deploy the algo tracker to see if it works. I guess I'll leave those console logs in for now. And then I'll put this back in so it runs every hour. Wait, do I have a dang Docker image for that? I don't think so, man. We're gonna have to update that. Wait, not only did it find, but gave me a better example. Nice. Which problem was it? Was it like a daily problem? Do you only do the daily problems these days, Q? Man. Docker is loading up. Oh, I do have a Docker image for the algo tracker. Very good. Let me add that here. Oops. Man, look at that. It just knows. I'll build that one. I guess to build the remix. Try to do more, but end up getting busy all the time. Yeah. I feel you on that. Yeah, I see your vlogs, man. Or I see you post them. Very good. All right, we're building this junk, and I'm gonna deploy it and see if it works. All right. I'm gonna switch my screen for a bit while I deploy. So just gonna be me. I don't want to leak any more information than what I've already leaked. All right, where are my keys at, man? And I should like automate this process a bit more one of these days. But for now, I'll just do it manually. Where are my teeth? See you later, man. Thanks for tuning in. All right, I gotta make my Docker compose, add my new image for the algo tracker thing. Hold on. Set my environment variables up. and all that stuff. Even though I don't think I need to right now. Superbase URL, Superbase key, Docker compose, Superbase URL, Superbase key. Hope those are good. Yeah, yeah, I'm deploying. I'm just hiding my screen because I don't want to show all my keys and whatnot, you know. Give me a second, man. I'll go. Yes, yes, everything. Where are we at? I'm uploading my images. Should have been doing that, but it is what it is. Man, I gotta figure out how I can reduce the size of my Docker images. I don't know why the hell they're so big. It's not even that many things. It must be copying like all the dang packages or something, you know, in like my node modules. All right, I gotta upload my algo tracker, but oh shit, no, forgetting some steps. My bad. I'll be done soon, man. I'll be done soon, hopefully. And then we can test it to see if everything's working. Whew. I really hope the algo tracker stuff works, because that's the only thing I really haven't tested yet, you know. Like tested in prod. I've tested all the other things, like the React stuff, the Superbase stuff works, my backend works. The LeetCode online checker works, but we got to make sure our LeetCode profile scraper works too. Think you're guessing down how everything works? No, you probably fine or only limited work to fix it. I hope so. I had a crazy bug the other day where it took me a long time. Dang, why the hell is my algo tracker taking so long? Oh, that's for sure copying all my node modules. Wait, my bad. I wish I could show you my screen, but there's a lot of sensitive information right now. What the heck? All right, I gotta look at step 1. Oh man, should I even fix this stuff? Let me ask my AI thing. Make a new step that uses node slim. All right, you guys want to see real quick while I figure this out? So this image is like way too large with this Docker file. So what I'm trying to do is something maybe to what I have with the other Docker files, where I don't know where's that. I don't know if it makes a difference. All right, let me try and load them up side by side. So we got the algo tracker on one side, and we got the, let's close this for now. Yes, we do that. env whatever, right? Copy. Wait, why are they? I don't know how none of this works. They're copying everything. And then that's remix though. Is it this part, man? Should I hit them with that? I don't know. I don't even know if this is worthwhile. I hope it is. All right, I'm gonna use that. I want to see how it works. So I gotta rebuild my image. Uh-oh, bad. It ain't right. From builder. Man, maybe I should go back to however it was, because I don't know Docker enough to make this work. Pull access denied? What are they talking about, man? Oh, I see. Anyways, all right, I'm building my image. Hopefully it works. All right. Is it working? It kind of works. I'll use it. All right, now I'm really uploading all my images to my server, and then we can try and deploy it. And hopefully it works, and then it's almost time for me to go. Carbonize, thank you very much for the follow. Oh yeah, whatever I just did to my Docker file, I guess it reduced the size a lot. What's your plan for the site after today? Um, hold on. I'll answer that in a bit. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I want to start working on the WebSocket stuff, Q. But I don't know what I'll be focusing. Maybe I'll split my focus between that WebSocket stuff and like cleaning up the front end, the styling and stuff. WebSockets, yeah. What are you using WebSockets for, man? A whole lot of things. I think WebSockets are gonna unlock a whole new level of interactivity with the website and with other people on the website. So it's just really an experimental app, but I'm taking all the knowledge that I learned from building my personal website and I want to apply it to other things, like real products that I'll be building. Anything specific? Yeah. Type Blazor is one thing I like to use WebSockets for, very specific. Type Blazor is me recreating TypeRacer with React Remix front end and some type of C++ WebSockets on the back end. I don't even know if it's possible, but I think it is. And there's other things I want to do. Cram some gRPC in there. Maybe. I kind of looked into gRPC, but I don't know if it's... I might use it, you know? We'll see, we'll see. Just because I'm already familiar with gRPC. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm loading up my images. Sorry, it's taking a bit longer than usual today. When's the collab with Pat to build BSIO? Is Pat trying to build one too? Everybody's trying to build BSIO, man. That site was so great. It's a shame it never continued. And maybe by the time it comes back, it's too late, you know? Alright, here's the moment of truth. I'm about to bring down the site. And then I'm gonna bring it back up. But yeah, so I got the domains already for Type Blazor. But everything is gonna be, I suppose, alpha tested on midnightsimon.com. But I think once it's stable enough to be its own product, like initially I have the Type Blazor on my website. And after it's mature enough, I'll have it on its own domain, Type Blazor or something. And maybe the same thing with the algorithms. I'm like studying up how to build a judge, like an online judge basically. I've been reading a lot at work in particular. Alright, Docker compose up. Let's see if everything's gonna... Docker with test cases? No? What? What do you mean? Docker with test cases? Let me see if the algo tracker works. Algo tracker does not work, man. Oh shit, I gotta do some stuff to make the algo tracker work. I guess we can switch back and I can try and do those things. We can't see screen, yeah, that is on purpose. I'm gonna switch it back right now though. So it's giving me some error, man. It's telling me I need to run some command. This command. Man. But does it kind of just run it? Because I'm not gonna be on. All right, let me see. I gotta do some research here. Puppeteer. Install Chrome, Linux, headless server. I don't know if we're gonna get this working tonight, man. Because I'm using this Puppeteer thing for my algo scraper. But I guess it's using like a Chrome installed on my Windows to do everything. And I'm not fully sure because like when I ran that command, it's installed on a dang .exe, you know. I feel like it's not gonna work. I guess I should just try it. Well, super base. I don't know what all that means. I'm stuck. Maybe I'm getting tired too. But I'll continue for a bit. Maybe I should rebuild the algo tracker stuff. Man, what are they talking about? Can't find package. What does that even mean, man? I don't know what to do. Node. I mean, it can't find Supabase. It's there, you know. Anyways, does it need permissions? I have no idea. Because this is supposed to be like a Docker container. Maybe the way I set it up is just not great. I'm not very good with Docker, you know. Are you overriding the node modules folder with the copy thing? Who knows? You know. Oh yeah, maybe. Maybe I should just go back to however it was and not try and do anything fancy because I don't truly understand what's going on. But that's a good call, Future Highway. I don't think so. Still cannot find package. I don't get it, man. Alright, how can I get into this thing? Package.json, copy everything. Something's wrong with my Docker file, that's for sure. Yeah? I don't need to run any build or nothing, right? I just want to run the dang thing. But alright, I'm not even really, I don't have any of that logic anymore, right? So I'm just copying this, I guess, into the thing. And I run npm install. And oh, are you saying, what are you saying? This is copying and replacing that? I don't have any source code, man. So maybe I can just type my one file, you know? Can I just do that? Cause it's really just that one file. Ain't no, I guess maybe env.local, but no, we don't need that either. Alright, I got 10 minutes to figure this out before I gotta stop for the night. That definitely didn't work. Alright, how can I Docker open shell. No, it's not even running, man. It just crashes immediately. Alright, I'm about to give up. For now. Do I have a Docker ignore? Got too many files open, man. All right, maybe this Docker file is just trash and it's just not working, you know? I don't even need these, man. And then I'm just running node index.js. That's all I want to do. Same dang thing. Alright, maybe it's some other problems. Cannot find package super base. I had problems with this too. Like, I forget the issues and I forget what fixed it, but something wasn't working properly. Like, why is it tripping on the super base stuff, man? And what is this? Is that supposed to be like that? Should I just delete this? I don't know. I don't need this either. Chat GPT. Man. What could it be? What could it be? I'm gonna delete some of these old files, even though it has nothing to do with anything. Like, we don't need these things. Man, now is my website just not working? Let me see. Well, I guess, alright, some things still work. Some things still work. But I'm not sure if it's gonna scrape people's profiles now until I get that thing fixed. I suppose I could run the profile scraper from anywhere. I could just run that from home in the meantime. You know, doesn't have to run on my server. There's a lot of things for me to fix still. But I think if, yeah, I hope people can still register and stuff. And then I'll fix that LeetCode leaderboard thing another time, man. Or the LeetCode online scraper. I gotta figure out what the hell. There must be a problem with my Docker file. Maybe I should just tell the thing to... There is a problem with this Docker file. It gives me this error when I try to start the container. Let's see if they can fix it, man. Did they fix it? Phew, I think they fixed it. Let me try. Let me try. Jesus Christ. Uh-oh. No, wait. I didn't fix it yet. I'm gonna see if I have to rebuild the image and then we'll try it one more time. What did I do? The key changes are they move npm install step before copying the source code. That's what it says it did. That's the problem it said. All right, here we go. Nah. Nothing ain't even happening, man. It's the same junk. Can't start. I don't know what to do. You took it out the package JSON. Oh, no, it's still there. It's still there, man. It's like, yeah, it works when I run it like that. Dang, I still got this dang thing in there taking screenshots. Get that shit out of there, man. All right, I think I give up. Because I don't know what else to do. I tried and I failed. Easy as that. Should I try one more time? I'm gonna try one more time, man. Even though I didn't do anything different, like, I don't know. I wish that problem was fixed with the AI stuff. That would have been sick, but unfortunately, it didn't work like that. White has a dot slash. I don't think it makes a difference, does it? Should it not have that dot slash? Let's try it. I'm willing to try anything at this point. Nah, it didn't work. I clicked the button. It didn't work. Anyways, we tried. It's not working, so I'll try and figure it out elsewhere. I wish it gave it more. It's just cannot find the module. All right. Ask the AI again. All right, I can ask it again. This did not work. It still cannot find the module. Oh yeah, I can share my package.json with you. Oh, they want me to try an older version of Supabase? Whatever, I'll do it. Tuto 1902. What's happened? Thank you very much for the raid. I'm about to get off myself too. Wait. My package.json looks very similar. How's the stream going? The stream's going pretty good, except I'm stuck at trying to containerize this simple script that I made. I don't even think I don't know what to do. I might not even deploy this on my server. I might just run this from home for now, you know, until we figure out this bug. Hey, what the hell? They're telling me doing some crazy stuff. Debugging. Alright, I'm gonna try this. One last time, one last thing, and then I have to go. When we getting a 24-hour stream? Probably never, man. I can't stay up 24 hours. I'm not young anymore. I mean, I could, but I'm not trying to do that. I might do marathons, you know, where not full continuous marathons, but maybe I'll stream all day for multiple days in a row, like 12 plus hours in a day. But I don't have any time off of work, and I'm saving all my vacations for the summer. I'm taking like a huge vacation. What the hell is going on here? I'm gonna let it keep on keeping on. I thought a marathon like running. Yeah, a streamathon. My bad. Ain't nobody running a marathon in this house. Especially not me. That's for sure, man. Yo, why is this thing tripping? Should I cancel it? I gotta go. Oh, am I importing it weird? No. Yeah. Yeah, I ain't running no marathons, man. Alright, should I just cancel this install? Something ain't right. It ain't right, man. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing some crazy stuff. It must be this command. List all things there. I'm gonna just cancel it. Do I use GAI at work? Yeah, we use AI at work. It's very similar to the IDE that we use. Is similar to this cursor, but maybe not as, we don't have the chat integrated with it, but it will like pop up autocomplete things, and it kind of knows when he copied something or when there's like repetitive tasks in the file and he starts to just modify things. It will just know. Alright, I give up, man. We'll fix this problem another time. It's getting late and I gotta go. So the website is deployed. If, you know what? I'm just gonna run this right now. And I'll... Jesus Christ. I'm gonna run the algo tracker from a dang personal computer for now. But every hour it will, oh Jesus. We got problems. I don't know why we got these problems. But see you later, everybody. It's time to get the hell out of here, man. Should we raid LeetCode people? Sergeant Pepper, maybe? A frequent visitor to this stream. Let's go hit Sergeant Pepper. Raid Pat? Pat ain't even on, man. Talking about Raid Pat. Alright, thank everyone for tuning in. I will fix this offline and I'll let you know what the dang problem was. Q Ultimus, see you later. Thank you for tuning in and congratulations on your dang 1 million point keyboard, man. I'm gonna build this maybe Sunday, right? I guess I'll DM you on Discord or something and we'll figure out a time that works. Yeah, so I've had this redeem on my channel for years and nobody has ever gotten to 1 million channel points, but tonight Q Ultimus got to 1 million channel points, and the gift that he redeems is I'm gonna build him this keyboard and I'm gonna ship it to him, man. And that's it. JCast19, adios amigo. Q Ultimus, see you later. Carbonize 0, adios, have a good night. Everybody else, Clistar, have a good night. Mr. C World, what a gamer gag, bro. What does that even mean? But see you later, man. YouTube, adios. Parth from YouTube just joined. What am I building? I was building my website, midnightsimon.com, but I'm out of here, man. Everybody else, all the lurkers, good night and see you later, everybody.